Hi, my name is Jen Abbott, and I'm an account manager here at the Better Business Bureau, serving Northern Indiana. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. This is a new video series where we talk about how to make your accreditation work for you. Our first tip is to log into your Better Business profile and update your information. Not only is this the first step in your process of accreditation, but this is also an important step to make sure that your business information is correct and your logo is up there to brand you on our site. If your BBB profile is bare, this is not putting your best foot forward when consumers search for you online. Now, as a business, think about what problems you solve. Now, log into your Better Business profile, and in your overview, use that information and use keyword searches that people are using to find you online. Okay, you also want to make sure you select all the businesses that match your services or products you offer. For example, if you are a plumber saying that you do appliance installation and also shower repair, it will help people find your profile when searching online. People usually don't just search for plumber or your business. The more services and products you can list, the greater chances you have of being found. You want to be able to log into your Better Business profile because you have access to other features, such as updating your business info, adding a logo, downloading the BBB Dynamic Seal, using the Custom Review app, and also using the Request a Quote app. All these features are free to you as an accredited business and will help you put your best foot forward and also grow your business. Don't know how to log into your Better Business profile? If you're stuck and still need more help, please feel free to call us. We are here to help you. We could just dial 260-426-9970. Again, it's 260-426-9970. The number will also appear in the video description. Thank you.